Hello my darlings, I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Another amazing adventure today. I'm making some thrift flips. So I got this vintage old heart-shaped stand from thrift store, purchased for a few cents, and I'm gonna paint it in 3 different colors. First part, I'm using a vintage Victorian folk art chalk paint. I'm really loving this color. So pretty. For the bottom heart, I'm gonna use a lavender folk art paint. While you're watching me playing with those paints, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos and visiting my channels. I really appreciate you. And we're gonna talk about more about today's amazing collab soon as I'm done with this project. For the middle part, I'm gonna use chalk paint folk art. It's called Ombre Argente. It's something between like a silver and gray. And this is how it looks. It's almost dry and ready to be decorated, and look how beautiful it looks. I have added some block letter slough on top and those beautiful hearts from Dollar Tree. Today I'm a part of It's Refirbished Love, hosted by 2 amazing ladies, Buffy and Lon. Of course, amazing playlist. Buffy Designs, if you haven't visited her channel, please do so. She's creating a beautiful home decor. And Living Life with Lon, she's creating beautiful home decor as well. So please visit their channel along with the amazing playlist today. For my thrift flip number 2, I'm having this heart-shaped stand, also from thrift store, and I'm gonna paint it with white Waverly chalk paint. So today's theme is thrift flips, anything you like for Valentine's home decor. After I paint it with white Waverly chalk paint and it's dry, I'm using antique gel wax. I'm into this wax lately and I'm really having so much fun with it. So I'm using the sponge brush and going all over my stand first. When I'm done with it, I'm using wipe to just take it off and make it that dusty, rustic, vintage farmhouse look. And I'm really loving it. You're gonna love it too. If you watch my video, I've been using this wax and I'm having so much fun. When that part is done, I'm gonna use this love sign, also from Dollar Tree. I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. I'm using one of those wooden hearts, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna cover my O with it. So I'm gluing it first, just like so. and adding that pink wooden heart on top of that large heart, just like so. And I can put it on top of my stand. Now, of course, the gel wax as well, so we can get that rustic farmhouse look. Going all over the wooden heart as well, just like that. Wipe it off. And here is the final look. Look how beautiful. Here is the final reveal for my beautiful thrift lips for Valentine's Refurbished Love. I think I did a good job. I really love those beautiful colors, and I added those beautiful plaques from Dollar Tree. I didn't want it to do anything. They look like a candies. XOXO, love, be mine, cutie pie. Such a cute messages. I really love that, and that love sign on top. Let me know what you think, if you're really liking them like I do. Don't forget to check out the description box with hosts and the amazing playlist with so many inspiration. I also did another look. I did the wax with that box as well on the bottom. I forgot to mention that. Put some flowers so you can see a different look as well. And let me know what you think. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. I'll see you Sunday. Bye bye.